Hi, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Today, we are going to learn how do you say goodbye in French. What is the most common way to say goodbye in French? Yes, the most common way of saying goodbye in French is au revoir, which means goodbye. Now, let us see what is the exact meaning of the phrase au revoir. In French, au means at the or to the or in. Revoir means seeing each other again or meeting again. But it doesn't make any sense if we translate in this way. Then what is the exact meaning of au revoir? Au revoir means until we see each other again. Au revoir can be used in both formal and informal ways of saying goodbye in French. Par exemple, au revoir madame, au revoir monsieur. In an informal way, we can add a family member or friend's name. Par exemple, au revoir mon ami, au revoir Jean. In spoken modern French, we pronounce au revoir more like as au revoir by gliding over the letter e. And most people nowadays pronounce it as au revoir.